iQOO has officially unveiled the Z11 Turbo in China. The handset features a square-shaped rear camera module housing dual sensors within a pill-shaped cutout, while the LED flash sits outside the module. The smartphone will debut in pink, white, black, and blue color variants. The device is expected to measure around 7.9 mm in thickness and weigh about 202 grams. Features a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The panel reaches up to 5,000 nits of local peak brightness. It also gets a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for security. iQOO Z11 Turbo will be the first iQOO phone to feature a 200MP primary camera. The main sensor measures 1/1.56 inches and uses an f/1.88 aperture lens. The camera supports 4x lossless zoom and up to 40x magnification using software enhancements, and a secondary 8-megapixel camera. Feature a 32-megapixel front camera. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Run on Android 16. The device is said to be backed by a 7,600 mAh battery, with support for 100W fast charging. That the Z11 Turbo has the same larger corners on the display, a metal middle frame. For durability, the device will offer an IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. iQOO Z11 Turbo price in China starts at 2,699 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.